This is how you mount the all-new Sweep-All Power Rake. Park the mower and power rake on level ground. Take your PTO, slide it in, the arrow aligning with the tab on the shaft. Use the Whistler 6 Series 1-15 spline yoke 57-0269. Make sure the arrow on the coupler lines up with the tab on the shaft. Slide it in, the arrow aligning with the tab on the shaft. Next, slide the rake, aligning it with the mower bracket holders. Start by inserting. The support frame uses the tilt-up castings. Right hand 57-0249, left hand 57-0248. All right, then you're gonna take your PTO, now it's under there. Connect the PTO quick coupler. Attach the PTO quick coupler and make sure it is fully seated. Warning, make sure the PTO coupler is properly seated before continuing. Then continue pushing your rake till it's all the way against, making sure your latch pins can go through the hose. Insert the latch pins 20-0153 through the aligned hose and secure them. Next, you'll tilt your seat, raise the mower body, lift the mower body and seat to access the counterweight spring mounting points. Quick tip, if the counterweight springs are too tight to install, adjust the rake position slightly to reduce tension. Install the counterweight springs. Install the 2 extension springs 57-0256 with green spring covers 57-0253 at the proper mounting locations. Secure them using spring clip bracket 57-0255. Quick tip, if the counterweight springs are too tight to install, adjust the rake position slightly to reduce tension. And you can lower your seat. Lower the mower body back down. This will apply tension to the counterweight springs. Insert and secure all deck locks and linch pins 20-0153. Check that every pin is fully inserted and locked in place. Next, you'll take your wiring harness, snap it onto the unit, connect your power sources to where your owner manuals recommend. Plug the power rake wiring harness into the correct mower connection point. You are now ready for operation of the all-new power rake.